How to label AI generated content on TikTok. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can label AI generated content on TikTok. To label AI generated content on your TikTok on a specific video, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, open any preferred web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once you are on the home page of your browser, at the address bar type tiktok.com to enter the official website of TikTok. Once you have entered this keyword, press enter to browse it. Once it loads, you make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, on this interface at the top right, you will find upload button. Go ahead and click on that upload button to start uploading a video on TikTok. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Here you will have to select a video that you want to upload. For that, click on this select video option right here and select a video you want to upload on TikTok from your device. Once you reach to this page here, wait until the video is processed. While the video is processing, scroll down and at the bottom you will find See More option. Click on that See More option to access More menu. And from the menu, you will find AI generated content at the bottom. You will also find the toggle button which is currently turned off right next to it. Now to label AI generated content on your video, you'll have to toggle this button and switch it on. After doing it, you can further customize your video. And after customizing your video, you can click on this post option right here to post this video. And now your video will be labeled AI generated content. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.